We all know that kids, and we can say everyone, have different learning styles. In this video, I'm gonna tell you guys four different styles of learning. The first one is visual learner. Visual learner are those who prefer learning by observing things, using pictures, images, diagrams, whiteboards, and more help these type of learners understand information better. These students can easily visualize information, have a good sense of direction, and usually likes to draw and doodle. The second one is auditory learner. Sound and music are a strong suit for these type of learners, who typically have a good sense of rhythm. These learners are usually singers, musicians, who are familiar with different instruments and the sounds they make. Auto learners are good listeners who normally learn best through verbal presentations, like lectures and speeches. And yeah, this is one of my favorite type of learning styles. The third one is a verbal learner. These learners prefer using words both in speech and writing. They can easily express themselves and usually love to read and write. Verbal learners tend to have a vast vocabulary and excel in activities that involve speaking, debating, and journalism. Now, the fourth and the last but not least is the physical learner. Whether it's by using their body or hands, these learners are all about the sense of touch. Physical activity and sports play a big part in these students. Getting hands on is a must for these learners who love to tinker and learn best when they can do rather than see or hear. Now, a few more that I would add to these type of learning skills is the logical learner. If there's logic, reasoning, and numbers involved, these learners are sure to excel. These students function and solve complex problems by employing strategies in their scientific way of thinking. Computer programming, math, and science are usually favored by these type of learners. And social learners. Learning in groups and working with others is favored by social learners. These students know how to communicate effectively and enjoy collaborating with others, brainstorming, discussing ideas and concepts. Social learners are generally good listeners who are through and understanding. Now, the solitary learning. These students prefer to use the self-study and work alone. They are also all independent and are very self-aware and in tune with their thoughts and feelings. These learners prefer being away from the crowds and learn best in quiet place where they can focus on the task and all of that. So yeah, these are the four main type of learning skills and a few more that I added on. Thank you.